there is evidence to suggest that certain foods can help improve brain function and memory. Here are the top 5. 1. Fatty fish. Fatty fish, such as salmon, tuna, and sardines, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are important for brain function and development. Studies have shown that consuming omega-3s can improve memory and reduce the risk of cognitive decline. 2. Blueberries. Blueberries are high in antioxidants, which can help protect the brain from oxidative stress. Studies have also found that consuming blueberries can improve cognitive function and delay age-related cognitive decline. 3. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds, walnuts, and flaxseeds, are rich in vitamin E, which has been linked to improved cognitive function and reduced risk of Alzheimer's disease. 4. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate contains flavonoids, which have been shown to improve cognitive function and memory. However, it's important to choose high-quality dark chocolate with a high percentage of cocoa solids to reap these benefits. 5. Leafy green vegetables. Leafy green vegetables, such as spinach and kale, are rich in vitamins and minerals, including vitamin K, which is important for cognitive function. Studies have also found that consuming leafy greens can improve cognitive function and reduce the risk of cognitive decline.